Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about check spelling feature of Revit. It is very useful wherever we are using text formats for annotating some elements in Revit. So let's get started. So right now we are at zero Mac floor plan, and let me type something. So I'm just pressing TX command for text. Click somewhere on the layout wherever you want this particular text to be placed, and randomly I'm just placing this is a duct, something like that, whatever you want. Okay, and I know that's wrong thing. I intentionally did that thing. So let's cross check from check spelling feature. So I'm in annotate tab right here. Go with check spelling. Now it's showing that this particular word is wrong. Okay, it should be like THUD, or a lot of more features are also right there. But for example, you want this, right? THIS, this. So what you can do right here, change to, you can type right there as well. This. If it is not, rectifying, it is not picking that particular word. So I just clicked on this, and now there are a lot of options. So first of all, you can ignore THD that you intentionally, typed THD right there. So you can ignore that one, ignore all for in this particular layout with the same word, and you can add that one to Revit dictionary so that next time it will not change that one. Now if you want to change this particular THD only, not oral THDs in the Revit project, you can do that thing as well. Or you want to change everything THD to this or some another word, you can do that thing as well. So right now we are having only one sentence, so you will not see the difference, but we'll rectify this particular difference in between change and change all in our Revit sheets. So as of now, I'll click on change, so it'll be changed to this. Okay, now it is showing that DCT is also wrong. Okay, so DCT should be duct. It is already rectified that one. So I'll click on change, it'll be changed on that one. Now spelling check is completed because as per Revit right now there's not any error. Okay, so I'll click on close. So that's how it will work on the, what we can say, floor plan. But let's come on the sheets. So let me create one sheet, because sometimes we normally add some notes on the sheets as well. So there are chances that it'll be, spelling mistakes will be there. So in annotate tab, I can click on text, or I can press TX command for that one. So let me add something right here. So for example, ducks are not properly aligned. Okay, so that's the thing. Now let's go with one more line, and we'll see, or we can add inside this one. So let me copy this one, copy, enter, and let's go with pipes. Sorry, pipes, and let's see if it is rectifying or not. Okay. So what I'll do is that click on check spelling right here. It's rectifying that DCTS is wrong. Definitely it should be ducks. So I'll click on this one, and I'll click change or change all, but because ducks is one time only, so it will not show the difference. But properly it's showing two times, right? So let's see. Right now it's showing properly. Okay, so a lot of words are right there. If you'll see that, it is not, choosing your correct word, so you can drop it down. You can choose your proper word as well based on that one. You can select that one. It'll be working like that. But right now I'm going with properly. Click on change all as of now, and you can see only this upper word is changed, not the lower word. Sometimes Revit does this kind of thing. So let's go with another one, and another word, and we'll see that it'll changing properly, all over text or not. So let's see. Now this one should be a line. Okay, so right now, okay, just for example, it should not be a line for me. It should be, what we can say, ducks are not properly adjusted, maybe. So I'll, what I can do, I can type right here adjusted. You can do whatever you want. Okay, click on change all, and now you can see uh, it has properly changed, properly and adjusted as well. So sometimes you have to complete the process, and after that it'll be properly set all over the text. So that's how it'll work for the floor plan as well the sheets. I hope you got the point of check spelling feature of Revit. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.